Hey guys, what's happening? It's Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with the first official run of the Santa Fe Northern number 2910 made by Bachman. I'm really curious on if this thing's going to start. I've got some pretty high hopes for this engine. It's been lightly run, and I'm wondering if the thing will crank up. So let's go ahead and give it some power, and we're going to see what she does. Is it going to start? Hey, like that. Like that. I'll tell you one thing, she fired right up, too. Man, I call that a success. Man, it's pulling all of these cars with ease. Man, I call this a success. Wow. She fired right up out of the box. Check out its low speed. Yeah, for a low speed for a Bachman steam engine, this is pretty good. This is actually pretty good for a little low speed for this engine. I want to pick the speed back up for it. And she just takes right off. It can definitely pull some cars, I'll say that. Well, guys, that's pretty much going to wrap it up for today's video. It's not much to do with these little engines because sometimes just put a little bit of power to them and they'll take right off. So, first ever N-scale locomotive in the fleet, and she's running like a champ. So, I'm very, very overall happy with this locomotive, and you'll definitely be seeing it pull these cars around the track. I know I've got some modern cars on there, but anything that's a train, it'll pull it. So, anyway, guys, that about wraps it up for today's video, and I'd like to thank you all so much for watching.